horsey, because today we're doing his letter. His letter's H. Horsey, H. All right, friends, H is also a dive down letter, but you're going to take a big dive because you're starting above that top line. So a big dive down, keeping it as straight as you can. Swim up, over, and down. Capital H comes down, 2 straight lines, and cross. Down, down, cross. Down, down, cross. Okay? Lowercase, here's that big dive. Come as straight as you can. Swim up, over, down. My paper curves a little, so it's hard to go straight. Keep your books flat. Don't fold them back like Mrs. Valor. I just have to do that for the camera. Dive down, swim up, over, down. Perfect. All right, you've got 3 words to write here. Mrs. Valor's favorite animal right here, horse. Okay. Nice and easy. Then hi, and your password for everything, right? School. Good luck, friends.